Canadian Tire is proud to be the title sponsor of the ASN Canada FIA Canadian Karting Championships. Our passion for motorsports and all cars that travel Canada's road runs deep. Whether it's in the pit, in your garage, or at our stores, we share your enthusiasm for all things automotive. For everyone at Canadian Tire, enjoy the races.
For over 75 years, Canadian Tire has carried MotoMaster, offering top-quality, affordable products we count on to keep our vehicles running smoothly. MotoMaster, only at Canadian Tire.
Goodwood Kartways is your one-stop comprehensive kart shop. As the exclusive North American importer of Intrepid Racing Karts, HRS engines, Chapman tuning services, and IMAF racing seats, we specialize in providing you with the equipment you need to win. We are the biggest Rotax service center in Ontario and take pride in offering you great products at a great price. Visit goodwoodkartways.com to get to the front today.
Alors que les pilotes sont côte à côte, est-ce qu'on va leur donner le drapeau vert cette fois-ci? Oui, c'est lancé! Oh. And we are racing, ladies and gentlemen. Steven Zaghetti on the inside, taking a good start, I believe. Oh, on a déjà une sortie de piste. 4, 5 karts sont directement 6 karts dans le gazon, 6 of them. But in the lead at 3:39, Zaghetti, followed by Reed Arnold. Kevin King is in third place. Marco Di Leo is in fourth. Peace Herder is in fifth. Wow! Un départ, malheureusement pour un pilote, Richard, c'est déjà la fin. Le kart est retiré.
La Fontaine qui a eu un très mauvais départ, qui maintenant est en 8e position. La Fontaine qui, malheureusement, partait de la 4e, mais... à surveiller. Boisclair aussi, très mauvais départ pour Christophe Boisclair. Et un morceau de kart qui vole. C'est le devant du kart à Boisclair qui vient de partir. Ah, c'est malheureux. Et voilà, c'est terminé pour Boisclair. Donc, tous les espoirs de Christophe pour le championnat du monde en senior sont terminés. Il a perdu son devant, sa moustache, donc c'est tout.
Alors que nos meneurs vont passer devant nous, our leaders are going to come in front of us here. Let's see. Still Zaghetti in first. Followed by Arnold and King in third.
Oh,
DeLeo
moved to the inside. And DeLeo tried the inside, but lost it.
Oh, a good battle for third. On a toute une bagarre pour la troisième. Ils sont côte à côte. Et là, un a passé rapidement, mais là, on tente encore l'intérieur. Dans le 6, Richard.
Et Zighetti en profite. Hein. Tout ce qui se passe derrière, avantage Zighetti. Pendant qu'on regarde Christophe Boisclair qui malheureusement est sorti déjà du circuit. Il lui reste une chance en DD2.
Our leaders are in the back straight away. Nos meneurs sont dans le droit au fond. Regardez Zighetti comme il prend beaucoup d'avance. Pour lui, une victoire, c'est un billet pour les championnats du monde. In second place, right behind him, it's Reed Arnold. But now, a little bit more space between third and fourth. Let's see. It's Zighetti, Arnold, King. Oh, sorry, no, it's DeLeo in third. King is in fourth right now. Monteith is in fifth. La Fontaine, Richard, qui tente une remontée, il est maintenant 8e. Pierce Herder is 7th. Michael Vinchek is 6th. Kevin Monteith is in 5th position.
À surveiller La Fontaine qui n'est pas le plus rapide. Austin Milwain, le plus rapide sur la piste.
3:31, getting Black and Andrew David Waring, unfortunately, having some... mechanical problems, I guess.
Still Zaghetti out in front by a mile. Look at that. His rear bumper is gone. Wow. So that's it for them.
Yep. Alors voilà, dans le droit, c'est Zaghetti loin en avant, mais juste derrière, on a peut-être une bagarre entre Arnold et DeLeo.
So DeLeo is coming in really fast on Arnold.
Here we go. Our leader. Right behind them, Arnold and DeLeo, King, Monteith, Vinchek, Herder, La Fontaine, Chadley, Arbour, Gerald Casely moving up a spot in 11th position. Donc Casely rendu en 11e. En 12e, Massimo Scotti. Christopher Ernst is 13th en 14e. Austin Milwain, Austin King is in 15th. Daniel Burkett, 16th. Adam Dowler, 17th. Dalton Kellett is 18th. 19th is Cédric Tisseur-Terrien. Michael Glaze is 20th. Johnny Flute is 21st. Marc-André Lévesque, 22nd. Jordan Kennedy is 23rd. Rui Teixeira is 24th. Jean-Philippe Peugeot, 25, 26 is Emily Madison.
Watch out for DeLeo, Alain. He's really close to Reed Arnold. Is he going to pull in, reel him in? and take that second spot. Oh, Jean-François Lafontaine takes another spot. Seems to be very fast. Marco Di Leo is the fastest guy on the track now with the fastest lap time. Di Leo to the inside, and he takes it. Second place for Di Leo.
Oh, Di Leo qui prend maintenant la deuxième place avec un beau dépassement au virage numéro 1, une belle manœuvre qui lui donne la deuxième place. Et voyons voir s'il s'éloignera. Déjà, on sent qu'il prend un peu d'avance.
Di Leo had to take him now because otherwise Zaghetti was just going to pull away. And there's only one spot here for the World Championship. Second place is worth nothing.
Évidemment, pour ces pilotes, la première place est tout ce qu'ils visent, puisque pour avoir un accès au championnat du monde, c'est une victoire que ça prend ici dans cette course Rotax Max finale. Cette course Rotax Max finale est présentée par Intrepid Canada. This Rotax Max final is presented by Intrepid Canada.
So 5 laps completed, actually 6 laps completed now. And the fastest guy on the track is Marc-André Lévesque, number 396. And Marc-André Lévesque is all the way back to 19th.
So we still have Zaghetti, De Leo. Arnold is in 3rd, King is in 4th, Monteith in 5th, Vincek 6th, Lafontaine 7e maintenant, Chudley is in 8th, Herder is in 9th position, Philippe Arbour is in 10th position.
So as we are used to seeing Zaghetti just pulling away.
It looks like it's going to be tough for De Leo to catch Zaghetti here.
Yeah, but a good thing he pulled away from Reed Arnold, because you see him right now. He's pulling away as we speak.
Voyons voir si il pourra enlever, retrancher un peu de dixième de seconde entre lui. Il avait 1 seconde de 3 tout à l'heure à son dernier intervalle. Zaghetti, De Leo, 1 seconde 6. Non, l'intervalle s'est accentué. So 1.6 seconds between our first and second driver, which is 3/10 more than the lap before. So De Leo not making a move here, Richard.
So Zaghetti now signed in the fastest lap at 56.550 on his last lap. So bad news for everybody behind.
That's right. Donc, notre meneur, Zaghetti, qui roule sur un train d'enfer, alors que derrière, les positions n'ont pas changé. No changes in the position except for Philippe Arbour, who had a really fast time. He's now in 9th place. But the other one, Zaghetti, De Leo, King, Arnold, Monteith is 5th, Vincek is 6th. Oh, maybe a change for 3rd here. Peut-être un changement pour la 3e place. Arnold is right behind King right now.
I think King just... King kept his position.
Wow. The difference between Zaghetti and De Leo in 2nd place keeps building here. It's 1.9 seconds now. 6/10 in the last 2 laps. This might not be for a spot. This might not be for a spot in the world, but a spot on the podium for these guys here. A good battle for 3rd between King and Arnold.
It is definitely worth something. You never know. There's so many things that can happen in racing. I mean, they have to pass tech. That's very important. They have to oblige to very strict ruling, and they do a wonderful job here, the officials.
Not going to happen on this long straightaway here for the 2nd and 3rd. Let's see. We have Zaghetti in front of us right now. In 2nd place, De Leo now 2.1 seconds. Zaghetti is putting 2/10, 3/10 a second faster the lap after lap on his second opponent here, De Leo.
Look at Vincek 305 just putting a lot of pressure on Kevin Monteith in that fight for 5th position.
On a droit une bagarre assez solide pour la 3e place entre King et Arnold. Est-ce que pour une place sur le podium, toujours intéressant. Alors, on va voir si si Arnold est capable de dépasser King. Dans le droit, celui que vous voyez tout au fond là-bas, c'est notre meneur Zaghetti. Juste derrière, en fait, maintenant 2 secondes, c'est Marco Di Leo. Et regardez au bout du droit, est-ce qu'il va tenter l'intérieur? Is he going to try on the inside? Yes! He made the move. He made the pass right there. Arnold is now in 3rd place. Did
No, that's not. That was for fifth. That's Michael Vinchek, Alain.
Oh, sorry.
Vinchek just passed. That's the guys that were watching. Michael Vinchek passed Kevin Monteith.
So it's Szigeti, DeLeo, King, Arnold. But Vinchek now moving up a spot. You're right. Monteith now down to sixth.
I'm telling you that Reed Arnold is going to wait. He has no threat behind him. He's just going to take that podium. He knows he can't reach DeLeo. He's just going to wait till the last lap or the lap before that to make a move, to my opinion. To my humble opinion.
Yes, please.
Oh, Szigeti qui domine de manière outrageuse. C'en est...
Encore 2 secondes de 2 sur son deuxième rival, DeLeo.
Presque insurmontable. Attention, pour la troisième, il est très, très près. Est-ce que Lafontaine se rapproche? Oui. Jean-François Lafontaine se rapproche de Kevin Monteith. Regardez, Monteith s'en vient et Lafontaine est juste derrière lui.
Ouais, pas un gros écart entre Lafontaine et Monteith, même pas 3 dixièmes de seconde.
Ah, Lafontaine est sur un train d'enfer présentement.
Oh, il y a un dépassement là dans le...
C'est Lafontaine qui vient de passer. Lafontaine a passé.
Ouais.
En sixième présentement, Lafontaine. Et là, ça va être compliqué d'aller chercher Vinchek. Ça va être presque impossible. Mais il reste 9 tours. 8 au prochain passage.
Szigeti, your leader, right there at the long straightaway, way out in front. He's got 2.5 seconds on Marco Di Leo. Let's see if the timing changes here. That's Szigeti right in front of us. Right behind him is Marco Di Leo at 2.7. Kevin King, Arnold, Vinchek, and Lafontaine. Hey, Lafontaine's half a second behind Vinchek, so we'll see if he's got a chance.
Oh, Vinchek is, let me see, if we look at the last lap time, Vinchek was faster by almost a 9/10 of a second. So the gap is going to be hard to, but although Lafontaine has shown that he has gone faster the lap before by 0.2, so we'll see.
That is our leader, Szigeti, at the end of the straightaway. C'est notre meneur, mesdames et messieurs. Szigeti qui va passer devant nous bientôt. Alors que derrière, on semble avoir un petit peu plus d'espace entre les compétiteurs. Il y a moins de bataille, là.
Si Reed Arnold veut une chance de monter sur le podium, il ne doit pas laisser filer Kevin King devant lui. Il doit rester soudé à son pare-choc, sinon ça n'arrivera jamais.
3 dixièmes entre les deux, Kevin King, Arnold. Vinchek, Lafontaine, lui, à 4 dixièmes derrière Vinchek.
Dépassement ici de 3,96 dans la courbe numéro 1. Malheureusement, ce n'est pas dans les meneurs, donc 3,36 plutôt. C'était 3,96 Marc-André Lévesque, qui est très rapide, Lévesque, 56,5. Et regardez devant lui, Lévesque pourrait nous surprendre. Peut-être pas gagner la course, mais définitivement monter dans les rangs.
Il reste 6 tours après que notre ami Szigeti aura passé devant nous, alors qu'on aura un drapeau noir. Et Szigeti passe devant. Szigeti is in front. DeLeo, 3.3 seconds behind. King and Arnold right behind them is Vinchek and Lafontaine, 6th. Chudley, 7th. Monteith is 8th. Arbour est 9e. Gerald Casely, 10e. Dalton Kellett moving up a spot is now 11th. Pierce Herter is 12th. Marc-André Lévesque qui monte lui également est en 13e. Adam Daly is 14th. Austin King 16th. Michael Glaze 16th. And Daniel Burkett is 18th. Johnny Flute is 17th, sorry. 19e. Cédric Tisseur-Terrien. Notre meneur Szigeti, encore une fois, qui vient de passer devant nous. Il a 3 secondes et demie sur DeLeo. King, Arnold, Vinchek, Lafontaine. Toujours pas de changement. Richard, on s'attendait à une bagarre un petit peu plus mouvementée sur cette course. Malheureusement, chacun garde sa position. On a quelques belles bagarres, mais plus en fond de peloton.
Oui, absolument. Et je dirais un qui va avoir du trouble dans quelques secondes, ça va être Jean-François Lafontaine. Il y a quelqu'un qui s'en vient derrière lui, qui s'appelle Luke Chudley, qui s'en vient rapidement derrière lui.
Et voilà notre prochaine... Au passage, il reste 4 tours. We have 4 laps left in this one. Steven Zaghetti still the leader by 3.5 seconds on Marco Di Leo. Kevin King is still in third. Reed Arnold is in fourth. Michael Vinchak fifth. Jean-François Lafontaine sixième. Marc-André Lévesque qui a une position.
Regarde Lafontaine qui passe devant nous dans la courbe numéro 6. Numéro 6. Et se fait chauffer par Luke Chudley. Alors, malheureusement, comme on dit, c'est pas une course très, très excitante, mais pour eux, c'est beaucoup d'adrénaline dans leur casque. C'est définitivement, surtout Zaghetti présentement, qui doit le sentir. Le rêve est accessible.
If you're just joining us, folks, on the internet, thank you very much for being with us for this presentation of the Canadian Tire ASN Canada FIA National Karting Championships, coming to you live from Circuit Karting Mont-Tremblant, beautiful Mont-Tremblant, Quebec, Canada. And weather's holding for this first final. We're very happy about that. No rain so far, but they're expecting some weather this afternoon. We'll see how that turns out. Si vous venez tout juste de vous joindre à nous, merci d'être là. Ce sont les championnats canadiens de karting ASN Canada FIA présentés par Canadian Tire au Circuit Karting Mont-Tremblant.
Oh, somebody's coming in. 3-1-4, who's that?
Austin Milwain, who had a problem. He was all the way in 24th position. Austin Milwain is out of the race. Zaghetti going in front of us here.
2 laps to go.
2 laps to go. Di Leo with 4.6 seconds. Way behind Kevin King, Arnold Reed, Vinchak.
Oh, Lafontaine's going to get passed on turn number 1. And he takes the inside back.
Oh, nice moves over there.
Donc, Lafontaine pour la 6e.
Oh!
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 It's not over. Oh, my God. These guys are driving hard.
Dans les 6. And who ended up in the lead there, Richard?
Lafontaine kept his position for now.
Look at that. He's pulling a little bit away. Let's see.
Wait for Luke Chudley. And next time around, Alain, last lap for your leader, Steven Zaghetti, who could clinch that title and make it to the World Final.
Et voilà. Dernier tour. Last lap for Zaghetti.
Impossible to catch him. Marco Di Leo has tried everything he could. Kevin King is hoping for a catastrophe in front because that's the only way he can qualify because Di Leo is already qualified.
That's right. So Zaghetti and Di Leo looks like they're going to be going to the World together.
Last turn, number 16. There he is, ladies and gentlemen, your Canadian champion, Steven Zaghetti!
Victoire pour Steven Zaghetti ici au championnat canadien de karting dans la catégorie Rotax Max.